Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights or the device PIN. Otherwise, you cannot change engineer mode. Next, open Settings, then System or About, because engineer mode is usually under Advanced or Hidden menus. Once done, export current configurations or back up the device profile to avoid data loss, since disabling engineer mode can alter low-level settings. Make sure to pause if any required credentials are missing. Obtain them before continuing, so the process stays smooth and reversible. You now locate the engineer mode entry. That might be a toggle, hidden menu item, or secret code sequence. Enter admin credentials or authenticate through the OEM maintenance tool when prompted, because these protections prevent accidental changes. Once authenticated, inspect active subsystems and turn off non-essential options first, so you isolate risky changes. As you proceed, take screenshots or notes of original states. This documents the how and why of each change, and lets you restore settings precisely if anything. You finish by saving changes and rebooting the device, because many hidden modes require a restart to fully exit. After reboot, verify engineer mode cannot be accessed and run critical user flows to confirm stability. If something breaks, restore the backup you made earlier or re-enable specific settings selectively to identify the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: if access persists, clear cache settings and recheck account privileges, since lingering credentials or policies often keep engineer mode active despite toggles being off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.